Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. It's gonna be quick, nothing crazy. We just kind of revisiting, reviewing, unboxing a trimmer. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the videos, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike them, hit the thumbs down, comment, share, all that good stuff, right? So today we're gonna be talking about the GoldFXs from Babyliss. Babyliss, however you say it, the GoldFXs, right? I wasn't big on these when they first came out. I was a Andis T-outliner fan. I still am, but that's why they still here. But I was so big on them, I didn't think any trimmer, any cordless trimmer could amount to the precision and the power or anything that they had. So I bought me a pair of GoldFXs because I like trimmers, I like clippers. Wasn't big on them at first, right? It wasn't until after a while I really got to learning how to use them that they became one of the tops for me, right? So the reason I say it's an unboxing, because I did buy me another pair. I actually have quite a few, like I have quite a few, right? But I did buy me a new pair, so I was just like, why not revisit this and see if they've, with all the other products coming out, are these still a buy? Are these still worth the buy for people who looking for new trimmers, new barbers, or should they stay with something that came out before or go ahead with something after, right? So here we have on the back, 7,200 RPM, 2 hours of run time. Take you about an hour and a half to get that full charge. It's an all metal 360 blade exposed. With the titanium, DLC titanium adjustable zero gap blade, all that good stuff, right? So in this, of course, you get the trimmer. This is the original gold blade, everything. I did get these sharpened by somebody though. So they got that, right? And in this package, if I can get it out, you get the pamphlet that in there that a lot of people like to throw away, including me. And then you get the charger cable, right? That's pretty much it. And then you get the blade, their screwdriver to, adjust and stuff. So I do like this adjusting. I don't use this tool a lot, but they do have a tool that comes in it. If you're looking to zero gap, you can you take the screwdriver that comes, loosen the screws up there, and you just kind of adjust it. And this keeps it level on both ends to an extent, right? It works to an extent, but I'm not a fan of it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't use it too often. My eyes are getting a little older though, so maybe, look around. Maybe I still will, or maybe I will start to use it eventually, right? But when it comes to these trimmers, 2 hours of run life, as you can see, this one has been through the works, which is why I bought another one, right? Another reason I did want to get another one is because of, let me see if it do it. See that? And I'm pretty sure it's just a switch in there problem or whatever. I don't really go into opening trimmers and clippers and stuff as much as the next person. I know the basics, but not a lot, right? But I'm pretty sure that's just a switch that's problem, but it's happening more often, right? So at first I didn't like it because they do have that delay before they actually cut on. I didn't like it at first. And one problem with this blade and all of the blades from Babyliss for me is that when you first start using them, they don't really seem like you'll use them. Matter of fact, one of the barbers here, she's like against them right now, but she bought her a pair. She's starting to get the hang of it. When I first got them, I hated these trimmers, right? I won't say hate, I just didn't like them. I didn't get the hype. Everybody was talking about them, but the problem is these blades, especially these gold blades, they take a while to really get going, right? But you're gonna have to use it for a little bit, get it set right to really get the full enjoyment of these gold Babyliss FXs, right? They great with bulk. And I know a lot of people be like, you shouldn't take down bulk with your trimmers and blah, right, understand that. But if we're reviewing a product, this is one of the best trimmers for taking down bulk, which is why I got this one. This is for my bulk removal. This is my custom FXs. Y'all done seen them, go Vols. got the graphite blade on it. This one got the GoldFX blade on it. And this is a GoldFX, but got the DLC blade on it, right? So that's the difference. And you got the graphite and the DLC blade, right? Which these are they best two blades to me. The GoldFX is number one, the DLC 2 is number 2, right? So are these still worth the buy? Like I said in the beginning, I wasn't hype on them. I've been using them for maybe a year. This has been my go-to for the past year, right? Y'all go back to my old tutorial videos or when I'm talking about trimmers, there was nothing that's gonna make me put these down. These are just backups now. I do use them every now and then, but they're more just a backup. Are these still worth the buy? At $184.99, $185, these are still one of the best trimmers on the market, right? They have the low pro that came from Babyliss. Between the low pros from Babyliss and these from Babyliss, these are the two best trimmers on the market. Also, the X Evo from Stylecraft, though, or Gamma/Stylecraft, those are great too. Those will be my top 3 trimmers, right? The GoldFXs, the low pros from Babyliss, and then the X Evos from Gamma/Stylecraft, right? So are these still worth the buy at $185? Yes. I think depending on your budget, if you don't really have a budget per se, I say you get these. I say not that it's a waste of money, but don't waste your money on other trimmers until you have fully got a full run with these. Now, not saying that these are the only ones that's going to get the job done, because you got the 22 Stingers from Caliber, will get the job done. You got the X Evos, will get the job done. You got the Detailers from WOW, will get the job done. And you still have the classics that will definitely get the job done. But in the world right now that we're all looking for the best cordless, we're looking for the high power, we're looking for the torque in a trimmer, this is your best bet. $185 on the website. And of course, you can use the discount code Reggie10. Save you some money. You know what I'm saying? But even if you can find them cheaper than using my discount on the Babyliss website, I think you try these out. I think you give the Babyliss GoldFXs a try. And the reason I have 4, well, this is my old school one. So this is about to get put up for replacement with this one, right? Once I get it set and going. This one is just there because I tried it out. And this one is for my bulk. This is my balder. This will be my main one. So not that I use all 4 of them. I know people be like, you can only use one at a time. I know that. But you buy backups. You buy some to have them. Like when you find something, and that's why a lot of people be like, runtime don't matter. Yes, runtime don't matter if you got a charging dock or you got your backups. If you got backups, who cares about runtime? But are these still worth the buy? Yes. Should you get these over anything else on the market? In my opinion, yes. And of course, that's just my opinion. There are still great products out there other than these GoldFXs from Babyliss. But with the 2-hour runtime, you can also go to the Custom FX app and get you the GoldFX. You can still put the gold blade. You get any color that you want. And, you got custom. 2 hours of runtime, 7,200 RPM. This is still one of the best trimmers I have used. And that's still worth that $185 price point, in my opinion. And they also do have charging docks for them personally. I have some, but I use the Crazy Good Power Box. So it's not often that I got other charging docks on my station unless I'm trying something new and just got that charge dock to give it a try. But yeah, that's my review unboxing, because I never actually did a review or an unboxing of the GoldFX. So there you go. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube. And I appreciate everybody so far that's supporting me. We are getting close to CT Barber Expo. There will be a lot of releases there. I will be there. I will not have a booth. I will be walking around, probably hopping on live every now and then, telling people where I am, because I have been getting emails, not a lot, but I have been getting emails from a few people that want to, talk to your boy, take a few pics. So I appreciate the love, man. That's That's what's up. You know what I mean? So, boom. Peace.